Hey everyone, welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to download individual elements from a Canva design. Super handy if you want to reuse icons, illustrations, or graphics from one of your projects without exporting the entire design. By the end of this video, you'll know a simple method to isolate and save any design element from Canva with a transparent background ready to use wherever you need. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, before you start making any changes, always make a duplicate of your design. You may think you won't need to go back and make changes, but trust me, it's so much easier to have a backup just in case. With Canva, duplicating is really straightforward. Just open your project, right-click on your design in the sidebar, or use the little duplicate button, and now you have a perfect copy. Think of this as making a digital photocopy. If anything goes wrong or you want to try something different later, you've got your original safe and sound. Now we're going to pick out the specific element you want to download. Go to the duplicated version and take a good look at your design. Imagine you're extracting just one ingredient from a recipe. You want to get it all by itself without anything else in the mix. Click on the element you want to save. Could be a logo, icon, or maybe a fancy illustration, whatever you need for later use. Here's the important part. Now that you've selected the element you want, it's time to delete everything else from that page. Click on Other Elements, Text, Backgrounds, and simply hit Delete. You want your chosen element to be all alone on the canvas. Don't worry if you accidentally delete something wrong. You can always hit Undo or go back to your duplicated original. This might take a moment, especially if your design is a little busy, but take your time until only your desired element is left. Now a little pro tip here. Make sure your remaining element is centered or at least spaced the way you want it to appear in your new file, since Canva will export exactly what's left on the canvas. Sometimes there are invisible things like transparent boxes or background shapes, so double-check that nothing else is lingering on the design space. Once you're happy with just your element on the page, it's time to save it out. Go up to the Share button, usually in the top right corner of Canva, and give it a click. Scroll down if you need to and choose the Download option. From here, you'll want to select PNG as your file type. PNG is great because it supports transparent backgrounds, so you won't have any unwanted white boxes behind your element. And speaking of backgrounds, there's one more crucial step here. Check the transparent background box before you hit that final download button. This makes sure your exported element doesn't have any color or opaque box behind it. Think of it like cutting out a sticker so you can place it on any background you want, hassle-free. After you've downloaded, you'll find your shiny new element PNG in your Downloads folder, ready to be used in other Canva designs, on websites, presentations, you name it. And remember, if you ever want to go back, you still have your original design safe and untouched. That's it, pretty straightforward, right? If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and if you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides to make your digital projects easier and more creative. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.